Just a little bit of building for now. Nothing too big. You know what? Let's get started with that. We're also getting that prepared. We're going to do one medium engine. Food and water, we're going to go a little bigger with that. Okay, that's in operations now. Perfect. We're going to actually set up a scavenging station real quick. Do a little bit of pre-build up before we get started with doing Deacon stuff. So let's set up a building real quick. We're gonna do a barn because it's easier to work with barns than usual. So one barn here. Boom. Now we just have to set up beds. 38, 95. That's what we were looking for. Steel cloth, perfect. We're going to just start off with just a few beds for now. Till we have more to go on. 9 beds will do. We don't have to do much about that. Food, on the other hand, we are going to be spamming food. So we're going to destroy this. One of these. More food. We should start building up our food reserves because I'm going to be trying to get a lot of stuff built. Okay, defenses. We are actually going to have to build a few, but we're going to go with basics. Three of these will actually do. Boom, 2 people already. Food. I'm not gonna have this guy do anything just yet. That'll be like level up. I need local leader because we're gonna go with science for now. We'll level up again. So yeah, we're on the right path for what we're gonna do. Junk jet, muzzle. Here we go. Ah, gun nut. Well, that is going to be fun to have. But yeah, we're on the right path to what we're going to be doing, so. Pistol. Time me up with Deacon, so spawn at Dunland Drive-In. Yeah, Deacon's right over there. So let's get moving. So my plan is we're gonna go and do the Nuka World DLC when I hit like level 40. That's when we're gonna go and do that. Hopefully, by the time I finish, because I want to finish the DLCs first before I do the finish up the main story quest line. Ah, there he is. Deacon.
Deacon, is that you? Like the disguise? It's Wastelander camo. This is my pile of garbage, asshole. Back off. Good, right? You're lucky I didn't do one of my face swaps, too.
Ha ha ha! You almost fooled me.
That's the point. So, about the job. The railroad's only recently been using the Old North Church. Our old base was underneath the Slocum's Joe. We had a pretty sweet setup until the Institute found us.
Sounds really bad.
It was a disaster with a capital D. The survivors didn't have time to grab anything. So we're getting something important we had to leave behind. What exactly? I'll tell you when we get inside. I know that's a bum deal, but strategic ignorance has saved our organization more times than I can count. We got a tourist nearby. He or she has information on the base. So let's pump him for information before we dive in. For now, I'll take point.
Okay.
So I'm looking for rail signs, symbols we use to send messages to each other. If you like that, we got signs and countersigns, dead drops, and even a secret handshake.
The secret handshake never caught on. Oh, here's one.
Here we go. Rail sign. The arrow in the center indicates a direction. So our tourist is up ahead. Let's keep going. Got another rail sign. Right there.
Wait a minute. Is that what I think it is? Nope. Hopefully I can find a hunting rifle soon so I can use it as a sniper rifle, but of course I'm not giving my way. Actually, Deacon actually has a pretty nice sniper rifle right now. Oh. Ah, crap, where is he at? Okay, we're close. Right there, Slocum Show.
Center? That means there's an ally nearby. A tourist. You take point on the conversation. No matter what he says, you just say, mine is in the shop. Trust me.
Okay, let's go.
Hey. Once your friend gets here, how about we have a chat? Oh, thank God. You have a Geiger counter? You have a goddamn Geiger counter? Mine is in the shop. Who the hell is he? HQ said they were sending one agent, not two. Sorry, I'm new. He's just showing me the ropes. All right. The wall is my witness.
Let's do it.
Dead. Well,
Status
Tell me what's
update.
going on.
I signed up for some light recon, but that little Slocum's Joe of yours is crawling with goddamn chrome dome synth sons of bitches. Front's fortified to hell and back. They placed mines all over the goddamn place.
I appreciate all you've done.
I hope it helps.
Let's do it.
I really do. As soon as it's safe, I'm getting the hell out of here. So if you need anything else, better ask Sue.
Okay, let's go. Hey, Deacon.
Hey, Deacon.
Well, isn't Ricky just a red sunshine? You think he's telling the truth?
He doesn't strike me as the dishonest type.
Yeah, that's my read too. First rule in this business is never go against your gut. So, if we take him at his word, the front door has mines, synths, and probably other fun and exciting prizes. So, we're going in through the escape tunnel.
Ah,
The tunnel has got to be easier than a frontal assault.
Easier, but no cakewalk. You lead us there, pal. I got you covered.
let's do it. See some power armor right there. Might come back and go and get it later, but for now we're going to be a little busy doing some other stuff. Oh, come on, you won't. Ooh, perfect. It's like a T50 to T60 almost. Okay,
Hacking this is beyond me.
keep going. Here it is. Strike the gold. Here we go. But we have reached the end of today's episode. If you like my content, please like and subscribe, and hopefully you come back for later episodes. So, this is Gamer Ace, signing out.